Hey guys, what's happening? Let me scoop my big old butt on this chair here. Getting too big for this thing. It might even break while I'm filming. I want to stop by to give y'all a quick update. Well, maybe quick. Y'all know how I get, so I don't know how long this is going to be. But I want to give y'all kind of an update on me, the channel, some other stuff, and just, kind of chat with you real quick. But before I get into all of that good stuff, I wanted to sit at my wall of champions here because I wanted to just bring something to the forefront of your mind. You know, us YouTubers that you subscribe to and see and love every day, not myself, I'm not speaking for myself at this particular time, I guess, but I know a couple of YouTubers, a handful that, I've talked on the phone with or just developed a relationship with, to become friends, man. And I know that once that camera goes off, there may be a struggle there. Some people may have a health issue themselves. A significant loved one might have a health issue, might be some financial, struggle there, might, just a lot of stress going on, maybe in your life or something like that. I just wanted to let you guys know that there is a person, a real human being behind or in front of this lens and on your phone as you're watching. And those guys, I know they're going through it, man. It's life. It's just a valley and an obstacle, a roadblock, whatever you want to call it. They always say this too shall pass. It will, So I just want to let you guys know that you are in my thoughts. Just because when I turn on this camera, it all just kind of goes away from me, man. It's almost like an outlet. So yeah, I get to turn on the camera and just, smile and be happy and stuff. And, my life is going well right now, but I know some others may not be the case. It might not be ideal for what they wanted. And the reason why I wanted to do it in front of my wall of champions is because I got three guys here. There will be more in the future, but got Muhammad Ali right there, got Mr. Dave Chappelle right there, and Mr. Chadwick Boseman right there. They're all here for different reasons. And the funny thing is, you would think he's the champ, right? He's Muhammad Ali. That's why he's there. No, that's not why he's there. I'll explain it maybe some other day. And Dave Chappelle, he's funny as all get out, man. He's a great comedian. No, that's not why he's there. It's not why he's on the wall. Chadwick Boseman, I actually hated the movie. Well, I didn't hate the movie Black Panther, but it is not on my list of favorite action films. I'll tell you that. I think it was very overrated. So he's not Black Panther to me. I loved all his other work. He's a phenomenal actor. I loved all his other work. But the reason why this man is here, and this is who we're talking about today, is because he kind of stands for people like myself and, my YouTube friends that I was just talking about who, we don't really blast our problems. We don't shuffle them across the internet on every platform. And, as soon as you shake hands with somebody, you tell them how bad you're doing. You know what I'm saying? This guy, his life, the struggle in his life was actually hidden from the world. I think the only person that knew about his cancer, his terminal cancer, was his wife, possibly some other person, who knows. But man, this man shot action movies while he was battling cancer and didn't even tell nobody, man. And I've always kind of been like that. And him being famous, he brings something like that to light. I'm not saying you shouldn't discuss your problems with people, but this man did it on the highest level. And I think about my YouTube friends. We get in front of this camera, I just want you guys to know that there's another human being in front of this lens. And when that camera turns off, we have life too. You know what I'm saying? So that's why this guy's on the camera. And I just want to give a huge shout out and let all my friends, my YouTube homies, know that I'm thinking about you, man. So let's go over here to the couch and let's talk about the rest of this stuff. Okay, all right, my man is coming here. Hey, he's coming in hot, man. He has a new nickname like every 3 days. This week, his name is Raylan Coming In Hot Richardson. Get up here, baby. Get up here. Raylan. Oben. Yeah, that's a good boy. That's a good boy. Let's get you up here. Oh, man, you're so big. He's huge. This is, hey, we don't eat humans, okay? This is why I've been so busy and occupied. Dude, we had pool construction going on at the house. I got a new swimming pool, which is super awesome and perfect timing for summer. And then this guy, this little gigantic guy came into my life. He's eating my microphone cord. He's just crazy. Hey, hey, come here. Okay, you see yourself? Can you see yourself? Hey, Raylan, look. Raylan, look. Raylan, look at the people, man. Say what's up. Okay, get out of here, man. Get out of here. You just being too busy. Look, man, he is 4 months old now, and he just broke 50 pounds. He just got his he just got a appointment, and they weighed him in at 50 pounds at 4 months. Oh my God, this guy's gonna be a handful. He is projected to be well over 100 pounds. That is insane. Anyways, enough about Raylan. I just wanted to tell you why my video production has slowed down. And just, hey, I don't care, man. The channel's doing well. So I figured it was a good time to slow down and to be able to do that. But a lot of y'all have asked, what happened to JDLtv? Well, this is probably the last time you're gonna see this right here, because JDLtv is dead. JDL is still live and kicking, because that is my company's name, Just Doing Life. Raylan 999. He speaks German. Well, he speaks the German I teach him. Now back to what I was saying. JDL is my company's name, Just Doing Life Media. That's what it is. I changed the name to New Stuff TV because I'm always showcasing new stuff. As y'all already know, I don't do reviews, but I always got that new stuff. So it just seemed right to be able to just change the name to New Stuff TV and kind of just merge the two things. Dude, what is your thing? What you got going on here? We're gonna have to shorten this up, because this guy, he needs a walk. But yeah, man, New Stuff TV just seemed more fitting. But my name is Antoine, and a lot of people still call me JDL. That's fine. I'm always going to be Just Doing Life. It is what it is, but that's why the channel name has changed. And that ain't the first time it's changed either. In the past, it has changed, from other stuff. But New Stuff TV seems more fitting, and it is a lifelong title that I can just roll with. So, dude, you are killing me. Get down. But what that also means is, and I'm sure a lot of you have already noticed it, is my departure from only doing audio products such as Bluetooth speakers and Bluetooth headphones and TWS earbuds on this channel. I've kind of ranged out to everything. I've done tablets, a lot of smartwatches, and other devices, and other stuff is coming soon because it's new stuff. And I enjoy that. I wanted to be able, because the truth be told, man, I was chasing the YouTube algorithm, which is very stupid. And I think any creator will tell you the same. Being that you had to niche down to a certain type of product. It's a tech channel, man. There's all kinds of tech. I don't want to just do headphones. That's stupid. So in order to make this thing not so much of a job, I just decided to do all the tech products I would actually want to see, not just headphones and stuff. And screw the algorithm. You hear that, YouTube? Take that. Anyway, I do have another channel called New Stuff TV 2. And that's where I've previously put a lot of miscellaneous things. I'm just gonna start doing everything on this channel as far as tech goes. That other channel that's still sitting there, keep subscribing to it. If you're already subscribed, and a lot of y'all, if you're watching this video today, subscribe to that, because I think I might have some plans, man. I don't know. There might be some type of video podcast or, video daily vlog thing going that I might want to do. I don't know what I'll do to it, but I'm going to put some content on it. But this is the spot where you really need to be, man. New Stuff TV. So I hope that clears a lot of things up for you as far as like why my videos don't come out like 3 a day like I used to do. I used to do a lot of videos, man. It was like 2 videos a day, 5 days a week. That was crazy. That was insane. So the frequency of my videos is explained, with the pool construction and the new puppy. And definitely wanted to give a shout out to my YouTube homies out there and let you guys, or just remind you guys that there is a human being in front of this lens, behind the camera. And once that camera goes off, man, there's life being done out there, man. We got the same struggles you guys. So all I'm saying is remember to keep being good to each other, and I'll see you when I see you.